is a tutorial on how to clean out a carburetor on the Ariens AX306. The problem is the gas was left in it and it went bad. I tried to use it during the first storm and it conked out on me. This is a brand new machine, so the only thing I could think that the problem might be would be the bad gas. I'm going to show you guys how through other videos. Okay, so instead of taking all this apart, where the switch is, the primer is, I was able to pull this tube. Out of here and drain the gas that way. Now I'm going to unscrew this, unscrew that, and pull this off and clean this out. Okay, so I've drained most of the gas and I've removed the carburetor cap, and as you can see, there's some dirt right there, a pretty good amount in there. I went down to Curry Hardware, bought some carburetor cleaner, and I'm gonna test it out. Now, this is a new machine and gas shouldn't have been left in here in the first place, so this should fix the problem. Make sure it should be good. Looks brand new. I'm also going to spray a little bit at the carburetor. As you can see, that's what it looks like. Spray spraying it all up in there. Okay, so I've screwed the carburetor cap back on, reinstalled the fuel line, and now I'm gonna go down to the store, get some new gas. So I've had the snowblower running for about 5 minutes now, just getting warmed up, running pretty good. A lot longer now than when that last snowstorm hit. If you have a problem with the new snowblower, it's probably, you might have just left the gas in it, went bad. I'm gonna add some stabilizer this time, it won't go bad. Thank you.